Tired of wrestling with heavy corded saws or underpowered cordless ones that just can't handle big lumber? We feel you. Cutting through thick beams or pressure-treated timber can be a real hassle, especially when cords get in the way. That's why Makita dropped their game changer, the Makita 40V Max XGT 16.5 by 16-inch circular saw, model GSH06. This thing is the world's largest cordless circular saw, and let me tell you, it's a beast. If you're looking for serious power without the cord, stick with us to see why this saw might be your new best friend on the job site. Right out of the box, the GSH06 screams pro grade. It's got that classic Makita teal and black look, with a solid die-cast aluminum body that feels tough but not overly bulky. At 24.3 pounds without a battery, it's hefty, but lighter than Makita's corded 16-inch saw by over 4 pounds. The magnesium blade guards and cover keep the weight manageable, while staying durable enough for rough job site conditions. The grip is comfy, with plenty of rubber overmolding, and there's a secondary handle on the side to help you control this monster during cuts. The 16.5 by 16-inch blade is massive, and with a 1-inch arbor, it's ready to tackle some serious timber. So, can this saw really cut it? Oh, absolutely. But let's break it down. Powered by a 40V Max XGT battery, the GSH06 delivers a 6 1x4-inch cutting depth at 90 degrees and 4.3 by 16-inch at 45 degrees, letting you slice through 6x6 lumber in one pass. That's right, one pass. The brushless motor spins at 2,100 revolutions per minute, which might sound slow compared to smaller saws, but it's all about torque here. This thing powers through thick, wet, or pressure-treated lumber like a hot knife through butter. In real-world tests, it handles 6x12 beams with ease, delivering up to 75 cuts on a single 5.0 amp-hour battery. Now, it's not flawless. The blade takes about 4 seconds to stop, even with the electric brake, because of its massive size. Also, at 2,100 revolutions per minute, it's not the fastest for thin materials, and you might notice a bit of wobble. But Makita's got you covered with a blade stabilizer to keep cuts clean and accurate. This saw is built for heavy-duty framing, roofing, or log cutting. Not light trim work. If you're gang cutting joists or slicing big beams, this is your tool. First off, it's cordless. No more tripping over extension cords or hunting for outlets on a busy job site. The 40V XGT battery system is a dream if you're already in Makita's ecosystem. Just pop in a 5.0 amp-hour battery and you're good to go. The saw's auto-start wireless system is a game changer. It syncs with a compatible dust extractor via Bluetooth, turning it on and off automatically to keep your workspace clean and quiet. Adjustments are a breeze too. The bevel goes from 0 to 45 degree with positive stops at 15, 30, and 45 degrees, and the depth and bevel levers are tool-free and glove-friendly. Plus, Makita's extreme protection technology seals out dust and water, so this saw can handle tough conditions without breaking a sweat. And that soft start feature? It ramps up the blade smoothly, so you don't get that jarring kick when you pull the trigger. No tool is perfect, and the GSH06 has a few quirks. At 24.3 pounds bare and 29.1 pounds with a battery, it's not something you'll want to lug around all day. Your arms will feel it. The size and weight make it overkill for smaller projects, so if you're just cutting 2x4s, you might want a lighter saw. The battery life is solid for big cuts, but if you're doing marathon sessions, you'll need spare batteries handy. Also, the bare tool retails for around $699 to $799, and the kit with a 5.0 amp-hour battery and charger hits $1,339. That's a big investment, so this is really for pros who need max power. Lastly, the blade wobble on thinner materials can be an issue, though the stabilizer helps. If you're a framer, roofer, or builder who's sick of corded saws and needs to cut big lumber in one go, the Makita GSH06 is a dream come true. It's powerful, cordless, and packed with pro features like AWS and XPT that make it a job site workhorse. But if you're a weekend warrior or working on smaller projects, it might be more saw than you need. For us, it's a solid 4.5 out of 5. Amazing for heavy-duty tasks. But the price and weight keep it from perfection. If you want unmatched cordless cutting power, the GSH-06 is definitely worth checking out.